Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video I will also show you how you can easily view the history of Safari browser on your iPhone. Don't forget friends to put likes under this video. Please write your comments and also be sure friends subscribe to our channel. So let us get down to this topic with you. First of all, you will need to open the Safari web browser itself. And here please go to any website. Open it. In my case, it will be the Apple website. After that, friends, you will need to click on the book sign at the bottom. Now you will need to click on the middle option, the glasses sign, and you will see the entire browsing history of your sites or videos. You can also go to the last clock sign, and you'll see your entire history. For each day, you can expand it and see such history. If, for some reason, unfortunately, when you open Safari browser, you can't find the option here, I'm going to show you another method how you can view your browser history. Open the settings, scroll down, click on Application, then find Safari. And when you open Safari, scroll to the bottom, look for More. Now the website data, and wait a little bit for it to load. You can click on View All Sites. You'll see absolutely all the sites you've been to. They may not be in order, of course, but it will be the data of all the sites. This is how you can view the history of Safari browser on your iPhone, friends. Don't forget to put your likes. Please write comments. Also, please subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.